Have you ever found yourself strolling along the shoreline, captivated by the graceful flight of seagulls? Observing their elegant movements can spark moments of reflection about their unique adaptations, which allow them to thrive in a constantly changing environment. As their cries echo across the coastline, you might notice how they interact with each other, constantly communicating through a variety of calls. Perhaps it's a warning bark to alert nearby gulls of potential danger, or a cheerful chirp signifying the arrival of a fellow colony member. As you take in the sights and sounds of these coastal birds, consider their remarkable problem-solving skills. Seagulls can be seen deftly cracking open shellfish, a strategy that showcases their ingenuity and survival instincts. Dropping shells from impressive heights onto waiting rocks, they cleverly utilize gravity to their advantage, highlighting their adaptive nature in the wild. These lively interactions reveal the complex social structure of seagulls, where each call is another piece of their intricate communication puzzle. As you observe from the shore, a group of them may suddenly take flight, their wings flapping in a flurry as they chase a nearby food source. This moment not only displays their agility, but also emphasizes their cooperative hunting tactics. The way they navigate the air together, gliding and swooping with precision, reflects the strong bonds formed within their colonies. Each interaction fosters a sense of community, allowing seagulls to thrive in diverse environments, demonstrating their remarkable versatility and adaptability. So, let the coastal breeze carry the sounds of their calls, reminding us of the beauty and intelligence inherent in these birds. As you continue to watch these resourceful birds, take note of how they often congregate near fishing boats, eagerly awaiting scraps thrown from the deck. Here, their cleverness shines as they time their approaches with precision, showcasing a unique understanding of human behavior and its benefits. So, next time you hear their calls, listen closely. By embracing the essence of seagulls, we unlock a deeper understanding of our coastal ecosystems and the interconnectedness of life. These avian guardians remind us to cherish the balance of nature, inspiring awe and respect for the world around us. Together, let us celebrate these remarkable creatures and their role in our environment.